we doing here today?
Skydiving.
We're skydiving. Is this your first time?
Yes.
Nice. What's the special occasion? What do you think?
Just doing it.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
Good. Good. That's what keeps us alive, isn't it? All right. You guys have anything you want to say to friends, family before we go get on this airplane?
No, I'm all good.
All right. Let's go have some fun.
Oh, yeah.
We're in the plane. You ready to get up and out of this thing?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you're crazy. Next time we see you, we're blasting off. Here we go. Woo! Hi, Bob. Hi, Bob.
Bye.
What do you think of that?
It's so fun.
Yeah, you're gonna do it again someday?
Yeah.
Next time you come out, I'll let you open the parachute. You just gotta pull the golf ball out.
Okay, sounds good.
What was your favorite part?
Takeoff. When we like
When we flipped?
Yeah.
It was awesome flipping with you.
Yes.
Got out of
thank
Colorado
you.
Springs. This could be you. Woo!